this video, I'll teach you how to get the date when a file was created via Python. And I'll also give you an exercise. You can practice this tool by renaming all these files, adding the date when the file was created to each of these file names. And so the output of this exercise would be something like this. You see that a.txt has been renamed to the date time underscore a.txt. Same for the next file, 2021-11-02 underscore date and so on. So we have the year and we have the month with dashes between, and the day and underscore, hour, minutes, seconds, underscore, and finally the existing file name. So that is for all December, November. So December here, November here. That's the output of the exercise. But now, of course, I want to show you first how you get the date when a file was created. So I'm going to import path, and also from datetime import datetime, which allows us to apply datetime operations. You'll see what that consists of in this video. So if we have a path object, let's pick one of these. I'm not going to solve the exercise here, but just work on one single file, such as files December a.txt. If you have a path object, you could get data about that object using path.stat method. And if you print that output, so the stats variable, and run, this is the output we get. So basically we have a list of different attributes of the file. In this case, it is a.txt. So you have st modes, which are basically some file mode bits about permission. We're not interested on that now. Some identifier, also not interested in that. An identifier again about the device. This is about hard links of the file. This is about the user identifier, the user group identifier also. And this is about the file size. So this a.txt is empty, therefore we get this 0 as bytes. But if you add some characters and run again, this gets up to 2, so 2 bytes. And then we have 3 values for time: sta time, stm time, and stc time. Sta time gives us the most recent timestamp when the file was accessed, and this is a value. Now this is seconds, and these seconds actually are seconds from 1st of January 1970, that year. So it's a timestamp, it is in second, but we can convert it into normal date time. And then we have stm time. This shows when the file was last modified, the content when it was modified. And then lastly we have the time when the file was first created. So this is also the one we're going to use. So let's go back to the script, and to get that seed time we can create a new variable. Let's name this variable second created, and that's equal to stats.st_stime. This is a property, so no parentheses with this one. And let's print it out here, second created. So that should give you those same seconds that we got here, that and that. Now let's convert those seconds into a real timestamp, which can be read by humans and not by computers. So date created equals to date time. So now we're using that date time object. Dot from timestamp. That's a method of datetime, and it gets those seconds that we produced above created, right? So print that out, run, and we're here. So that's the date, year, month, and day, and hour, and minute, and second. Yeah, that's the second decimal point number. So now the problem is this is not a string, and we need it as a string, right, in order to use it as a file name later on. So if you want to convert it into a string, you want to say another variable, date created str for string, that's equal to date created dot strf time, which means string from time. And here comes a long string. So you want to define what format you want to display that string. So if you want first to show the year, you want to say %y. Then do you prefer a dash or 2 dashes or underscore? You can put everything here after the year. I would prefer to put a dash. So we have year, and then we have month, lowercase m, and then maybe another dash, and then the day with D. Then perhaps we want an underscore, and then start the hour, maybe a colon here for time, it makes more sense. But again, it's your choice, whatever symbol you want to put between these items, and minutes with big M, a colon, an S for seconds. So print that out, print date created str, run. And that's the string. So that is a string now, and we can use that as a file name. And that concludes this video. So again, if you want to do this exercise, you would have to complete it by renaming all these files. So from a.txt, b.txt to this format. Yeah, good luck with the exercise, and I'll talk to you later. See you.